forged in the fires of earth. The formation of these basaltic pizza stones starts deep inside Earth's mantle, where no man has ever been. When molten lava extrudes onto Earth's surface, the temperature is around 1100 degrees. This journey starts when the magma begins to ascend through Earth's crust. These magmas cool and crystallize into beautiful plagioclase phenocrystic basalts when extruding onto Earth's surface. The Undirgrund pizza stones were formed in enormous volcanic eruptions some 60 million years ago. The solidified magmatic rocks are therefore perfect for heating and baking pizzas and bread in any type of oven. Professionals carefully selected these pizza stones and heat tested before use at temperatures of up to 500 degrees. Use the stone to give your bread or pizza a better and crispier crust. Undirgrund, developed by geologists.